Hello everybody and welcome to a complete guide how to install Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. So first you need to install Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. If it's already not installed, I will leave a description down below in the description, but if you gone to this point, subscribe, it will really help me out. So first thing we do is enter this. You see import, export, preferences, add and new. We need to click new. Pick a name whatever you want, but first you need to type. Here's machine folder, your type Microsoft Windows, version Windows 7 64-bit or 32-bit. You need to see which one is your computer, so you can name it whatever you want. Windows 7. So that's will be my name, and just click everything that on default. So now it's this. Now you need to be careful because the second link in the description will be the ISO, the virtual disk. So to firstly you need to go to system, and for it to operate good you need to choose between 2 CPUs and 4 CPUs. I will pick 3. The second description down below is an ISO. You need to download it and then go to storage, empty this blue disk, choose virtual optical disk file, and then here's the thing that is there. Open. Okay, now we start it up, and now we need to wait. Windows is loading files, that's normal. I don't remember how to make it bigger. It's starting Windows. Oh, whoa, 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 what are you doing? This is a startup screen, so English, United States, I will pick Zimbabwe. Next, install now. Now we need to wait, chill out, because it isn't really doing anything. Yes, let's go. Now we need to accept the license terms. You don't need to read it. Next. Just upgrade, close, install now. Oh wait, it just threw me off. You need to accept the license terms. I did a mistake, they're custom. So disk 7, disk 0 unallocated space, just next. And here it is loading, so you need to wait because it's expanding Windows files and doing everything. It's just loading, so I need to wait. So now it's completing the installation, and it now will restart, so we need to wait a little. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, pressed any key. It was T. Now we wait because it's loading. Oops, sorry. And now it's starting up, finally. Wait, let me change something. What happened? What happened? Did my setup not work? I understand the issue. I understand the issue. So we need to go to settings, then storage, then this, then delete it. Yes. and then we start it because it has already booted up. Starting Windows. Now it's completing the installation because we stopped there. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. Now it's restarting. Starting Windows. It completed. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. Type a username. So just Abu Bibus. Okay, next. Type a password. Retype your password. We will not have that. Skip. Ask me later. Yes. What the hell? I do not live in Harare. I live there. Home network. Okay. Yes. Come on. It's loading up. And it's preparing my desktop, and I will also, yeah, this is not my first time loading it up, so and thus we loaded it, and here's the Internet Explorer, the old one. Yes, so we can just do not use we can just go there, new tab. We can do some funny stuff. So we do here, and we do you are an idiot.org. Why am I doing this? Oh no, it was removed. Well, I guess this is it. Goodbye and see you next video. Goodbye.